Hi friends, today we are going to see a last reaction, that is coupling reaction. Now what is meant by coupling reaction? The aromatic compounds like phenols, naphthals and anilids are treated with benzene diazonium chloride to give ARN double bond NAR is called as a coupling reaction. This form of compound is called as a azo compound, and the formation of azo compound is called as a coupling reaction. Means the aromatic compounds like phenols, naphthals and anilids are treated with benzene diazonium chloride to give ARN double bond NAR. This form of compound is called as azo compound, and the formation of azo compound is called as a coupling reaction. The coupling reaction takes place at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Means this coupling reaction is carried out in between 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, and in coupling reaction two nitrogen atoms are attached to, means these two nitrogen atoms are attached to two aromatic rings. First we are going to see here synthesis of methyl orange. First coupling reaction is synthesis of methyl orange. This methyl orange can be synthesized by using sulfanilic acid and N,N-dimethyl aniline. This synthesis can be carried out by using two steps. In this first step, formation of diazonium salt takes place from sulfanilic acid. Suppose this is an sulfanilic acid SO3H. This sulfanilic acid undergoes diazotization in presence of NaNO2 HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Then here primary amine is get converted into diazonium salt, means N2Cl. Here N2Cl, this SO3H is remaining as it is. This is called as diazonium salt. Okay, and in second step second, the formed diazonium salt is reacted with N,N-dimethyl aniline. Means this N2Cl and here SO3H, this diazonium salt is reacted with N,N-dimethyl aniline. This is N,N-dimethyl aniline and this is diazonium salt, and it gets reacted in presence of dilute HCl. Then what happens? The H from this N,N-dimethyl aniline and Cl from this diazonium salt get reacted to remove here HCl, and here formation of this is N double bond N, here N CH3 and this SO3H and this is called as methyl orange. This is very simple. This methyl orange is prepared by sulfanilic acid as well as N,N-dimethyl aniline. Okay, then second synthesis is synthesis of Congo red. This is an bis-azodide compound, means it containing two azo group, and this methyl orange containing one azo group, but this Congo red containing two azo group, means it is an bis-azodide prepared from benzidine and naphthanoic acid, and it is also carried out in two steps. In first step, Here, formation of tetraazotide benzidine means here benzidine undergoes diazotization. Suppose this is NH2. This is an benzidine. Benzidine means it containing two amine groups. Okay, and this benzidine undergoes diazotization in presence of Na, NO2, HCl, and 0 to 5 degree Celsius. Then what happen here? This primary amine undergoes diazotization and get converted into diazonium salt, means NH2 is converted to N2Cl. Here this NH2 is converted into Cl, this NH2 is converted into N2Cl. Okay, and this is called as tetraazotide benzidine. Okay, and in second step second, this tetraazotide benzidine is reacted with naphthenic acid. Suppose this is N2Cl and here N2Cl. This is an tetraazotide benzidine and it is reacted with naphthenic acid. Suppose this is an naphtha SO3H. This is an naphthenic acid and also NH2 SO3H. It is an naphthenic acid and it is tetraazotide benzidine. Means two molecules of naphthenic acid is reacted with tetraazotide benzidine and it gives congruate. Means here one of the hydrogen from this naphthenic acid and hydrogen from this naphthenic acid is get reacted with Cl from this diazonium salt, and here formation of means two HCl molecule is removed and it undergoes coupled, means this is called as coupling reaction. And what happened here? Here NH2 SO3H and here N, here N2 means N double bond N, and this ring remaining as it is, and here N double bond N, here NH2 and here SO3H. This is an formation of Congo red and it containing two azo group, therefore it is an example of bis azodine compound. This is all about the amines and diazonium salt. Here the second chapter is end.